Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Hlookup function in Excel. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use Hlookup function, in this video I will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a table. If in this row you will see this is employee ID, and in this row you will see this is name, their designation and date of joining and net salary. Okay, now here you will see I have also created two tables, employee ID and net salary. Now I want that if I enter employee ID here, net salary automatically appear here. Okay, so how to do it, how to use this function, what you have to do here, first you have to click on this employee ID, this cell, and you have to create a drop down list. So to create a drop down list you have to just go to data, and then here you will see data validation option, click on it and click on list. Then here you will see it will ask for source. Okay, now click on it, and now you have to choose this employee ID. Okay, whole cell 1 2 3 4 5 6, then click on OK. Now again click on OK. Now you will see drop down list has been created. You can choose any one of the employee ID. Okay, then here you will see net salary. So here we will apply or a formula. Okay, enter a formula here. So that formula is Hlookup. Okay, now here you will see lookup value. First thing he will ask that lookup value. So lookup value is this. Now comma table array you have to select whole table, uh, whole table. Okay, then you have to lock it with F4 table, F4 key. Now comma row index number means 1 2 3 4 5, in which row net salary is there. Okay, so this is fifth row, so you have to just click on fifth. Okay, then comma range lookup. So as you want to exact match, you have to just click on exact match, comma, and close the bracket, enter. Now if you enter any employee ID here, select, you will here you will see net salary. I am going to just comma separator, use this comma separator. Okay, so like this you can use Hlookup function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.